Reveling in the phrase, revel in. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of English phrases, and the spotlight is on revel in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also be able to use it like a pro. Let's jump in. Firstly, it's essential to understand the word revel itself. The word revel means to enjoy oneself in a lively and noisy way, especially with dancing and drinking. Think of a grand celebration or party. Now, when we talk about the phrase revel in, it has a slightly different connotation. It means to take great pleasure or delight in a particular situation, activity, or experience. It doesn't always have to be loud or noisy. It can be a silent satisfaction or a deep joy. Example, she revels in her success. This doesn't mean she's throwing a party every time she succeeds, but she deeply enjoys and feels satisfaction from her achievements. Let's practice with a few examples. 1. He revels in the peace and quiet of the countryside. 2. The coach revels in the team's consistent performance. 3. The artist revels in playing with bright colors in her paintings. Remember, the phrase emphasizes a deep sense of enjoyment or satisfaction from something. A quick note: be cautious not to confuse revel in with simply celebrating something. For example, incorrect, they revel in a party for his birthday. Correct, they held a party for his birthday. The first sentence implies they take great pleasure in the concept of a party, while the latter simply states they organized one. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, revel in. It's such a beautiful expression to show deep enjoyment or satisfaction. Next time you find yourself deeply enjoying a moment, remember this phrase, and maybe even use it in a sentence. Until next time, keep reveling in your language learning journey.